As a tech reviewer, I'm constantly testing devices that promise to do it all. So when the new Galaxy Tab S10 FE series launched and everyone said it's perfect for students, I had to find out for myself. So I decided to spend a full day as a college student armed with the new Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. I will be handling a full schedule of learning, unwinding and creating to see if one device can actually power it all. Let's go! Alright, first task of the day. Press the Galaxy AI key. I have a class today on Fourier transforms and its applications. Can you generate a quick summary for the topic? And just like that, I am ready with a quick lesson prep with just one tap. And if I come across a tricky term, I just circle and boom, the results pop up. Honestly, with someone who's as I am with learning on the go, this feature feels like a cheat code. Now let's head to class. Midday lectures hit different, but with the S Pen, taking notes is super fun and easy. Oh, it comes in the box with this new tablet. With handwriting help, even my rough scribbles get a smooth readable finish. No rewriting needed. And if there is a problem that's too complex to solve, one tap and the Solve Math feature provides me with the much needed help to solve that equation. But don't use this during the exams, okay? Now it's time for the thing I love the most, design. The Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus helps me create like a pro. With amazing Galaxy Spotlight apps like ArcSight, it's like a live design studio in my hands. Live edits, instant feedback, it's super easy to collaborate with friends. And when I need that full PC-like experience, a quick switch to Dex mode gets me right there. There are so many amazing apps for creative minds like LumaFusion, Clip Studio Paint, NoteShelf 3, GoodNotes, Sketchbook and PixArt. Now that's awesome. The day is done, but I've still got energy just like my Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. With its large display, smooth 90Hz visuals and blue light protection, I can kick back and enjoy my favorite shows without straining my eyes. And the battery life? Just superb. Normally something like this would be really scary. But with an IP68 rating, this tab is water and dust resistant. So spills and splashes are not a worry. Here is my verdict after spending an entire day with the Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. It is a game changer for students. Sleek, portable and powerful. From learning to collaboration and entertainment, it handled every single task like a beast. It's truly your AI study companion.